Welcome, good morning or good evening. Hello, everybody. Jerry, good morning. Naomi, good to see you. Hello there. Amit, good morning. With No Fear is here. Game time. And Camille, hey, my man. What's happening? What is going on? All right. Let's start the show. We have non-farm payroll today, so this will be interesting. I entered to a very, very, very small trade, only with one micro. I'm targeting 884.25. The only reason I have this is this beautiful, textbook supply zone here. That's it. I'm not necessarily saying that we're going there, but that area is on the 5-minute. I do love that area. Entry level to that is around 86.75. So that's it. Final TP 84.25. Not taking partials. What I can do is reduce some risk here, and that's it. Okay. So this is the only thing I see. I think we're going there to retest that area. And that's it. On gold, well, gold is interesting today. It was making history. What is this? Did I left these on? I think I did. Anyway, let me get this off. Previous day low is there. Previous day high is there. Okay, nothing special on gold for now. At least not on the 5-minute that I like as good target. So let's get back to NQ. Yeah, this is pretty much it. So I'm looking for this to pop higher, and we'll see. I entered before the stream when I saw this, so I thought that this is gonna go lower, but it didn't. Instead, it shifted higher. So I thought, all right, F it, who cares? It has to be, if it's not going down, then the only reasonable target that I see is up there. But obviously, who knows? Jesus, my microphone stand is just squeaking. All right, so far that's it. By the way, Bulenox is back to 75% off, but also on option 2 accounts. Just saying. Bulenox option 2 accounts are also 75% off. Same code, I think. Yeah. Let me check. Option 2, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, option 2s are also 75% off. Option 1, option 2. 842. Nice. 5 minis. Took profit at 65. That's a good area to take profit. Maybe I should too, but it's just a small amount. I don't even know how much profit I make with this. About 70 bucks or something. So I don't really care. Maybe I should put this to break even anyway. 45. I'm gonna put this to break even. So I don't really care too much about this. But yeah, the problem is, as my early trade in the pre-London session, I didn't really want it to go in with bigger size. This would be my probe trade. Anyway, Good morning, by the way, forgot to say. Well, on the higher time frame, we technically swept. We have a new day opening gap, by the way, so it has not been closed, or should I say rebalanced, or was it? No, it is. Sorry. On the 1 hour, it is because it has closed. Okay, then, never mind. Never mind. Very good, Bassett. That's how you do it. That is how you do it. Nice job. Hold on, quick phone call here. I'm here. This is the Tom Sabo show. Exactly. Welcome, by the way. John Wick, what up? Raphael, hey there. The bank are already calling. If I would tell you guys who called, you guys would be shocked who called me. So there is a guy, until we're waiting for this trade, I'm going to tell you guys a story, okay? You can believe me or you don't have to believe me. It's up to you. Whoa! What is happening? Reza just tipped $50. Jesus! $50 from Reza Banks. I guess it's going to be a giveaway then. Oh my.
Good morning, Tom. Hope you all doing well. I had a rough week. I am happy that it's almost over. Hope we have great weeks ahead. To change the mode, here is $50 giveaway. Make someone's day. Love, Reza Banks.
Reza Banks. All right. Reza, the man himself. Well, it seems like upon the $100 giveaway for next Tuesday, by the courtesy of Reza Banks, we are going to hold an extra giveaway here in the chat. OMG. OMG. Reza, you the man. You the man. Giveaway for $50 cash has started in the chat. Exclamation mark cash by Reza Banks. I don't even have to change the settings because it already been set to Reza Banks. Reza, I don't know how you're such a good fellow, but in the name of the community, thank you. All right, so Naomi says it was Nancy Pelosi. It wasn't. So if you guys interested who called me, I can tell you, and you would be shocked what kind of phone call that I just received. So, no, not Trump. Not Putin. Reza, again, thank you so much in the name of everybody. So, how should I put this? There was a guy in 2023. This is story time, you know, story time. There was a guy in 2023, not the president, who I partially introduced to prop firm trading. It's a Hungarian, not a close friend of mine, actually not even like a friend of mine, but I mean, I know him. Anyway, so he was always asking what I do. I trade, blah blah blah, and I explained, and then he started to trade at the end of 2023 with FTMO. He's not a rich person or something, but anyway, he started to trade with FTMO. And in 24, last year, with FTMO and and I think he tried MyFundedFutures as well, but mostly, yeah, he tried them. He paid like $50,000 to $60,000 to challenge accounts and evaluation accounts across these prop firms. $50,000 or $60,000 with zero payout, absolute zero payout. So this guy spent $50,000 to $60,000. There's nothing wrong with that if you have a return on that, but he didn't have a return. Zero. Oh wait, I think he might have one return, a few thousand. Not sure, but anyway, he spent around $50,000 to $60,000 last year only on prop firms, and he doesn't have that kind of big income or something. Anyway, he sold some belongings, some stuff, you know. He spent that kind of money. Now, after spending this year in January another few $1,000s, he called me yesterday that he finally got funded again, but he spent all his money. He's basically bankrupt. He's bankrupt. Absolutely. Everything. He lost everything. He doesn't even have money for food. That's how much he lost. Why would you do that? Yeah, good question. So this guy spent around $50,000 to $60,000 in the last year for prop firms. Now he lost everything. He doesn't have money for food. Yesterday he called me like 10 times that he finally passed an evaluation account, and he is asking me yesterday at 10 p.m. on the phone, and this morning, right now, I swear to you, I swear to God, right now he's asking me to give him $130 for activation fee. Because now, after all those many tries, he's going to make it, and he's going to be able to finally be rich. All he needs is $130 for activation. If I give him this $130, he is giving me back in 2 weeks because he's going to have payouts and blah, blah, blah. And he was calling me yesterday and today to give him $130. It's not about the $130, honestly. But I'm really in a pickle here. What should I do? If I give him $130, is that gonna do him any good? Is that gonna do? I know I'm not gonna see that money any. That's gone. That money is gone. If I'm gonna give him that $130, I was talking about a person who lost $50,000 or $60,000, a Hungarian guy. I know him in person, who lost $60,000 last year in prop firms. And finally, he lost everything. He doesn't even have money for food and for bills. And finally, he passed another evaluation account again. And yesterday, he calls me 10 p.m. and this morning at the stream to give him $130 for activation fee. No. It's not about that, Reza.
Tom, give him from my side to active his account. I have been there. Maybe this time he make it.
Oh, man. That's not what I wanted to go with. But Reza. I could have given him the... I'm going to tell you another thing, Reza. And you guys believe me or don't believe me, it's up to you. I swear to God, last year I gave him $300 already in December and November for activation fee. Just saying. He sold his car, one of his cars now in January. He spent that money also on evaluation account and resets. Reza, you are too good, too kind. I feel you there. I definitely feel you there. That's why I was in a little bit of a struggle, because I know that money is off. Reza, this guy, man, this Reza, he's not many people like you, Reza. I'm sure about that, and obviously there are many good people in the chat, and everybody feels the situation, and that's why I'm telling you guys with honesty, and I hope you believe me because I'm speaking the truth. I swear to God, this is what happened with this guy, and now he calls me to please give him $130, and it's not I have $130. Thank God I can give him, but am I doing something good with this? Obviously now I'm gonna give him because Reza, you the man. I don't know what to say. I'm gonna give him the $130 now. Reza, my man. Let's see where it gets. Okay. Anyway, let me read the chat real quick. I don't know if we're doing good or bad thing to him with this. I'm gonna call him right now. Just a second. Let me read the chat real quick. I would actually buy him food and pay some of his bills, but this activation fee, I know. Have been there broke cause of trading. Until you don't change yourself, you're gonna be broke again. I feel you there, Reza. If you help him and he makes it, you'll have good. If you help him, it doesn't make, you will done good. If you don't help him, yeah, I understand. Yes, but I did send him money last time, 2 times already. By the way, 2 times. But understand. Yes, give him. Okay, I'm giving him. I'm calling him now. Just a second. Give it to him as last chance. Okay, feed his addiction. To this is last help from you. Yeah, give him, but make him sign a loan. I don't care about that. I mean, I was in a similar position, and I remember how hard it was. I'm not going to make him sign anything. I'm just gonna tell him that this is the last time. If he asks me money again, I'm gonna give him money. If he tells me to buy food, I'm gonna buy him food. I even gonna pay some of his electricity bill or whatever he's behind. But I'm gonna give Reza is a real gentleman. I'm gonna give him the money right now. I'm gonna call him. I'm definitely, Naomi, I'm definitely going to tell this guy. And the reason I told you this, this is an example of you know, how desperate can one get, and how trading can also, how this prop firm in business can actually make your mind actually slip and broke. Because I think he has to so now he's going to activate his account, and he did it 1,000 times last year. I mean, he got funded, but the payouts, he messed it up. You know, I think 1 payout, he made it to 1 payout. But anyway, definitely he has to relearn everything from the get-go. But last time, clearly, that is no more. Yeah, yeah. He has an addiction, I think. Yeah, he has a gambling addiction, in my opinion. That's why. So we try to trade by the rules. I try to treat this as a business, as costs and income and such. But anyway, he will use the that's what I'm afraid. So I mean, he keeps telling me right now that don't worry, in 2 weeks I'm gonna be able to make a withdrawal, and I said, yeah, sure. Yeah, I can update you guys on that. Loss limit and lockout feature, maybe. Hey, let's go 100 lot. Nice going. I see. Yeah. Guaranteed he won't make it. Yeah. I told him to find a job. Hey, thank you, Abundance. Thank you. So Reza, again, thank you. I also a good question. Should I pay him today, or should I pay him over the weekend? Because I'm afraid if I pay him today, right now, he's going to activate it now, and he's going to blow it away on NFP or whatever. Or after NFP. That's the thing. Today is NFP. Exactly, Reza. So, yeah. So, I think it will do him a little bit better if I would pay him after market hours. Right? Or weekend or whatever. And he will activate it. Yes. Over the weekend. So if you guys agree and Reza agrees, and I promise and I will get some update because I'm really sorry for this guy. I see his struggle. He calls me 10 p.m. yesterday. Like, which is no problem. He can call me at 11 because I'm usually not sleeping until 1 a.m. But he calls me and tells me that, please, I really need it. And I said, I talked to him last night. Like, listen, I can give you this money, but is it going to help you? And I said, let's sleep on it. I told him, let's sleep on it. And now he calls me in the morning like, please, can you now send me, and I want to activate it. I don't think if I'm going to send him the activation fee, I think he's going to. Most likely, by the way, Reza, and again, Reza Banks is the hero of the day, or I don't even know how to say this. Thank you again in the name of this guy. I'm going to definitely pay him. I think I most likely would have paid him this money with the same exact sentence, like, okay, this is the last time. And next time, if he asks money, I would strictly say that, listen, if you have an electricity bill or something, I can help you out or buy you some food or something, but not activation fees, because I think this is a dead end, I think. But hey, I understand. We've been there. Everybody struggles. I've been there. He put me in a real pickle this morning. Yes. Anyway. Sometimes he does, but he's lurking in the background. I don't know if he's here. Doesn't really understand English, so he's usually just he's trading from a laptop. Pay him on Tuesday. Okay, Naomi says, I'm definitely going to pay him because Reza Banks just sent the money. Huge gentleman. I don't really know Reza. Reza is, I don't know, beyond words what Reza is doing here on this channel. So definitely I'm going to pay him either way. But I don't think it's a good idea to pay him before NFP. So
don't pay him now, pay him Saturday.
yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's definitely what I'm gonna do. Ollie, just very quick, narrowing it down. There's a guy in Hungary. I know him in person. He's not a rich guy, but he got into prop firm trading. Last year, he lost about $60,000 in FTMO and MyFundedFutures and some other prop firms. And I think he got one payout for $3,000. But anyway, he lost like $60,000. He's broke. He lost everything by the end of the year. Already asked me 2 times to help him out with activation fees, which I did last year. And now he sold his car in January. He calls me yesterday that he finally got funded again, but he's broke. He doesn't have any money to activate the account, and he's totally broke. Doesn't even have money for food, whatever. But he still needs to activate the account for $130. And can I and if I pay him $130, he will pay me back from the payout. So it was a pickle. And he called me yesterday late night, this morning at the start of the stream. And Reza Banks was the gentleman of the, not just the session, but he was really one of a kind. And he just deposited $130 as a donation to pay this guy the activation fee, which I will definitely going to do, but not before the NFP. Actually, on Saturday, he's going to get the money on Saturday, so he will have a clear head, hopefully by Monday, and he can trade on the funded account. So that's the story. He trades right now. He was trading MyFundedFutures and Take Profit Trader. I think he got funded with Take Profit Trader right now. He got funded with Take Profit Trader. Yeah, that's what he said. Yeah, $130. Yeah, he got funded at Take Profit Trader. Yeah, Rafael. It was more than 50K actually. I think it was like 60. Yeah. He's not a stranger. I know him in person, so that's the exception, Paul. I know him in person. He lives in the next town, not far from here, and we have some common people that we know from kind of like the same circles that we know people from. I know this guy. He's genuinely not a bad person, so he's a good guy. But he lost his way in this trading thing, and I think he's definitely slipped off the road of how he should be treating this trading business, especially with prop firms. So interesting guy, but I think he built up some kind of an addiction for this, and so that's why I'm doing this. That's why I was just trying to get some advice what to do, but Reza sealed the deal here. Oh yeah, Naomi. Yeah, hopefully 100 lot. I honestly hope that finally he will make it. I really hope. But I think the best idea is not to let him trade on NFP today, even if it's going to be a real struggle for him. But not to let him trade today. I'm going to pay him tomorrow, Saturday, and that's it. Yeah. He has a gambling addiction, Paul, I think. But I really hope that he will find success or some ground in this. But as you guys said, it will be, I think, the last time. Yeah, he is going to blow. If I pay him now, he's going to blow up NFP. 100% sure. Definitely, he's gonna blow it up. Daily dose of therapy. 19M college student here. Yeah, you know, that's the thing. I mean, I know that's why. I mean, I wish I could do that all the time. So that's why I do have $100 giveaway, daily dose. Make sure to subscribe to the giveaway link in the description or in the chat. There's a $50 giveaway right now here in the stream as well by Reza. There's going to be $100 on next Tuesday. So if you're not on stream, it's no problem because whoever registers, the winner is going to get an email. And so Reza is doing a giveaway right now, $50. I really do my best to give back something, and there will be more. Kirktown it's yeah, it's hard to do yeah. I mean, I definitely, that's why I'm doing the cash giveaways as well, and hopefully I can do $100 every week. You know, hopefully $100 every week. So, but I'm gonna do this with this third-party software. It's a pretty smart thing. So, don't miss it. But hey, daily dose. You know, stick around, and who knows? You know, Bowser, what's up? It will come back down. Little volume imbalance at 837. Maybe. Yeah, I saw that too. Is it on the mini? Oh, yeah. Oh my god. Okay. I think it could. Maybe not immediately, but maybe at the second half of the London session, maybe. But that's definitely an interesting level. Thank you for noticing that. It could. It could. One thing I might should do is maybe to secure some profit, but since it's such a small position, no, I don't really care. Hey Shenanigan, by the way, everybody, if I forgot to say hello or good morning, then good morning to everybody. They're all so long. All right. Exclamation mark cash for a $50 cash giveaway. Let me see how is it going. Believe it or not, we have only 35 people in the giveaway. The odds are good. The odds are good. 35 people only. Oh, 38. Okay, let's hide this screen. Reza, thanks again. Don't know what to say. I'm definitely gonna do this. Sup, Ham? Hey there. Raphael. The giveaway. There's two giveaways, 100 lot. There is one. There is a giveaway right now in the chat. We're gonna pick the winner before the London Open. Okay. There is a giveaway right now. Exclamation mark cash. And the other giveaway is $100 giveaway. There is a link right below the stream in the description. There's a giveaway link, or there should be, or in or the chat bot Streamlabs is or should be spamming it. Yeah, I see that in the chat. So $100 cash giveaway. You just have to give your name and email, and you can earn some points, by clicking on some websites of these prop firms. And we're gonna pick the winner on Tuesday, I think, next week, or Wednesday. I don't even know which has been set. If you're not here on the stream, don't worry, because we have the email. So I'm just gonna send out the email to the winner, and that's it. Super simple. So yeah. And then when that giveaway is over, we're gonna restart a new giveaway. So giveaways after giveaway, giveaway. Two giveaways. Yeah. One giveaway is a quote unquote slower one, but you can check it out. And the other one is right now by Reza Banks. By Reza Banks. Reza is sponsoring this one with $50, and yeah. Free Money Friday. Yeah. I know. Everybody's gonna be a winner one day. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. slowly getting higher here. How far is this gonna go? By the way, if you guys are looking for some cheaper evaluation accounts with no monthly payment, I'm not really pushing them too much, but I'm also affiliated and trading with day traders. If you use my code, you can get an 80% discount. So a 50K evaluation account with no monthly payments. It's a one-time payment, so no monthly recurring fee. You can take 6 months to pass it, whatever. It's just one-time payment. It's $57 right now. So just saying. I don't know how long are they going to do this, but $57, no monthly payments, just one-time fee. But there's an activation fee which is like 130 or something, so that's the activation fee. But still, no monthly payments, one-time fee. Yeah, daytraders.com. I'm not heavily pushing them because they are new. They are the guys who are suing Apex, and Apex is suing day traders. So. But they have the same technology. They are fairly new, just a few months old. I'm not pushing them that hard. It's your decision. I'm trading with them. I mean, I'm still evaluation account with them, but just to let you know. So far, everything is awesome, Shenanigan. So far, I can tell you guys that what I experienced with support, I was emailing with support, chatting with support. Everything, they were super responsive, helpful, answering some questions. So basically, they are the exact copycat of Apex without the 30% rule and all that stuff. But intraday trailing accounts, but they have static accounts too. So I'm not gonna go into too much details, but I do trade with them since a while now, but I'm not heavily pushing them. There's a link in the description down there. Code is the same, but I'm just saying that usually they sell the accounts for $90 or 80 or something. Now it's down to 57. But no monthly fee, no monthly payments, one-time payment only. Yes, I'm using the milestone account currently from MyFundedFutures, which is an instant funded account, the milestone, and that's it. That's the only instant account funded that I use, the milestone account from MyFundedFutures. It's a little bit more expensive, obviously. Just usually, I know it's not the cheapest one. It's 445, but you know, I think Tradeify has it for 330, 40, 50. I don't know. But a Tick Trader instant funded account also is for 340 or something. I'm just using it because of the platform. It was easy to connect it with Quantower. For example, at Tradeify, I have to trade on Tradeawait or NinjaTrader, I think, but I didn't go to NinjaTrader yet. I like Quantower pretty much, so that's why I chose to go with MyFundedFutures. So on day traders, it looks like. Let me show you. on day traders, there is a static account. So they have trailing accounts and they have static accounts. So one-time payment and intraday trailing. Sorry, intraday. I think yes, all of them are intraday trailing. Daily, hold on, trailing. Yeah, it's trailing, intraday trailing. But they do have static account. But as I said, it's one-time fee. But with the discount right now, this is $57. But again, you know, they are new. Okay, so keep that in mind. I'm not gonna do the same thing as I was totally falling into that profit trade thing, and I thought that they're gonna be different. So I'm not gonna push this day traders too much. Politician. Yeah. I trade Quantower, Rhythmic, so I connect with Quantower. I don't really know. I think they have. Hold on. I think they have only Rhythmic right now. Rhythmic. And yes, they only have Rhythmic currently. I think they were saying that they're trying to do the DX feed as well. But so far, they're just working on it, you know. But so far, only Rhythmic accounts. Can you tell me on starter plan max payout? Yes, exactly. And there are 5 winning days. Yes, so one should not make profit of more than. I mean, it depends. Subham, it depends. So, for example, you can make more than 240. It depends how much threshold you want to leave for yourself, you know. So, for example, I think there's a 30% consistency or 40% consistency rule. So, for example, if you make $2,000, the 40% is $800. So you are good to go with until $800 on a single day, right? But if you're strictly aiming for $1,200, now you have to add $100 to the 50. So that's what you have to make. But if you withdraw your $1,200, your account is going to be closed. So they're going to close it, right? But $520 if you're only aiming for to get the $1,200. That would be the max. Depends on how much profit are you aiming for, you know. I don't know, 100 lot. Good question. Good question. Why don't you buy him one of those accounts, and if he can consistently make money for 6 months, then you can pay his activation. You mean this one-time payment accounts? Maybe. You know, maybe. The problem is, I don't think he has 6 months. I don't think he has 6 months. I mean, financially. That's the issue. I told him he should do something to get his money in order, you know. Talking with the day trader trading platform, I find it difficult to set this up the way I want to see it. It's not that difficult. Depend on which prop firm you use. You know, you activate the Rhythmic account and you download Rhythmic Trader Pro. You sign the agreement. That's fine. And after that, you just have to decide if you want to go with NinjaTrader. I think ATS can also connect, or Quantower. After that, it's super simple. There's also a help section on the website that tells you step by step what to do. It has been absolutely horrible. Oh. Can you make separate yes, you can. Yes, you can. I mean, on 2 separate accounts, yes. How does 60K he blow come from? That's a lot. He was owning a very small trucking company with small trucks, you know. So he had a small business, a very small business. He was you know, he had a trucking company. He was mostly moving furniture and stuff like that, you know, or when people were moving from one apartment to another, he was helping them as a mover. And he had a guy too, I think 2 small trucks. And he had some money saved up from the company, and then he sold his trucks and he sold his company or something throughout last year. And he basically put most of the money into prop firms. That's it. And now he sold his car in January. I think he has one other car, by the way, so he has another car, but he sold one of his cars, which is left in January, put the money into prop firm again, and now he doesn't have anything. And that's how we got to this point. What happens if you make 2 separate trades? Oh, that's not good. You have to count for the day. The day. So, Camille, the day matters. How much profit you made at the end of the day. If you make $1,600, that's going to be your 40%. So, you know. Like if I make my account with that, then I request payout. I see. That's a good strategy, Sapham. Satoshi, it's a person. Last year he lost. I know him in person. A Hungarian guy lost $60,000 in prop firms last year, and he lost everything. Basically, he's broke, and now he got funded. I helped him out last year 2 times to activate funded accounts because he's broke, and now he got funded again with Take Profit Trader, and he was asking me last night to give him $130 to activate the account. And this morning, just at the beginning of the stream, he was calling me to give him $130 so he can activate his Take Profit Trader account. And I got a little bit distracted by that because it's emotionally, I know it's hard, and I told this in the stream, and Reza Banks stepped in and gave $130 to pay this guy, but he's gonna get the money on Saturday because he's gonna blow it on NFP. So that's what happened in a nutshell. Yeah, I hope so too, Ollie. Keeping behind then. You have to make keeping behind. Then to get another payout, I can request money from buffer also if I want. Yes, you can request from the buffer. Exactly. You can request from the buffer, Subham. Yes. But gotta make sure at the next payout cycle, you must have 5 days above $100. Doesn't have to be consecutive days, but 5 times 100 days. You know. Ask him to show you that he passed. It really then gave him the money. Yeah, that's also. I know he passed. I believe him, but that's a good idea. That's a good idea, by the way, Reza. But I think he did. I think he did. But I'm gonna ask him because last time I helped him to set up some things on TeamViewer, and I'm gonna be connecting to his computer anyways, I think, and I'm gonna ask him what is happening. Of course, Satoshi, 100%, yes. But I told him that last year, but here we are, you know. Yes, Sorel. I know it could be a story really to give some information how things could go in a negative spiral. Yes, yes, Bowser. Yeah. Robert, hey, welcome. From Alaska, Ek Wolf is here from Alaska. Welcome. Oh, thank you, Ek Wolf. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. How do I feel about gold? Quick look on gold. Oh, we should pick the winner. We should pick the winner, by the way. I think it should go higher, right? I don't see anything special. There's a fair value gap here. I'm super bullish on gold, by the way. I told you guys I am super, super bullish. I think we should be breaking higher. So I would be careful with the shorts. That's for sure. And that's it. Let's do the giveaway. I totally forgot that we're so close. We have 55 people in the giveaway. Exclamation mark cash. Last few seconds to enter, and I'm gonna close down the poll. Not poll. What is this called? Anyway, so I'm gonna close this down. Close the entries, and exclamation mark cash if you haven't entered already. What prop firm? Most likely FTMO. Most of his money went to FTMO. And then he started futures. Started to go futures. He tried MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader. He doesn't like Apex, but not because of payout denials, but intraday trading. But again, Take Profit has intraday, so I told him, but never mind. He liked the daily payout idea. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take the winner here. All right, let's pick the winner. I'm gonna cover the chat, so I'm not going to restart this one. So I'm closing it in 3, 2, 1. Closing the entries. All right, close the entries, and now let's get this. The $50 cash is going to go, by Reza Banks. This money comes straight from Reza Banks, 100% from Reza Banks. This is going to go to no other than the one and the only, the irresistible Anya. Congratulations. Anya is Sablegunst. Congratulations, Anya. Make yourself known. I hope you're here. But hey, don't worry, everybody. There's also another giveaway. Check out the link in the description or in the title or in the chat. You can win $100 on next Tuesday or Wednesday. I don't even know. Just give your email and subscribe and earn some points. Super simple. Check out the link. $100 every week, hopefully. If not every week, then at least 2 or 3 times a month. I'll try to do the best. All right, Anya is here. Anya, let me just do this properly. I am going to type my email here for you. And if you would be so kind to send me your PayPal address, that would be awesome. I hope you have. If you don't have, maybe a friend of yours. If nobody has, then we'll figure it out. Just send me an email. Here's my email. And congratulations. So this comes from Reza Banks. I'm just the technician here. So that's it. All right. Almost market open. 1 minute and 20 seconds more. Yeah, that would be awesome. That would be awesome. Let's see how the London Open is gonna go. All right, here it comes. Here it comes. Careful, everybody. Seems like it's trying to push it. Most likely trying to push above that 83 maybe. But again, let's not forget that we have some gaps down below as well. So look at that. Whew. This could have been the fake out. Uh-oh, that's not good. Not good for me. I have a feeling that it might want to sweep that 55 now. Yokozuna, hey, good morning, good morning. Let's see how it goes. My screen black? I don't think so. Let me check it. It should not be. No, it's fine, I think. No, okay. So it's maybe just you. I checked it on my end. It seems okay. We should understand platform game before playing it. Yeah. Yeah, Gamecraft. Yeah, I have changed my perspective and it's been working out. That is, I mean, I'm always open for ideas. If any one of you, Gamecraft, if you have some kind of another approach in the prop firm game, you know, what to look for, or is there some trick? I'm always open to hear some ideas. I mean, obviously, there is the way we trade, and there is also another way that we can maybe outsmart the prop firms. But maybe that's the way. All right, Gamecraft. All good now. Let's go. All right, best DJ. Oh yeah, lots of ways to make money. Yeah. For example, I know someone who is hedging the prop firms, so has different funded accounts in different prop firms, and he's hedging them. So interesting strategy, and obviously he is going to fail a few funded accounts along the way, and that's how he gets the payouts. Obviously, that is not. I mean, there are costs to do that, including activation fees and stuff. Well, you know. Yeah, so today is NFP. Just be careful with the movement, you know. Isham is here. Good morning, Isham. Look at this. So it's just struggling now. Doesn't really want to go anywhere. Quick look on gold. Quick look on gold. Anya, I'm not sure if you're here. I hope you got my email address. It's there in the chat. You take your time. You can send it later or tomorrow, whatever. I just want to make sure that you have my email, and that's it. So you don't have to send now anything. If you got my email, that's fine, and we will settle the prize. Arbitrage. He could be banned. Yeah, I told him. I mean, if these prop firms are sharing information, and I think they do, he could easily be caught sooner or later. Non-farm payroll, Daishan. Nothing like that. Approach the game. Yes, game prep. Interesting. I'm opened up for informations and ideas. Requesting payout from the rest. I have to achieve. Yes, exactly, Sapam. 100%, exactly. You have to make an additional. You know, it doesn't have to be like $500. So, for example, I give you another example. You make 5 days times $100, or for example, you make 2 days for $200, and then by some unfortunate reason you lose $300. Still fine. You make another $300. You know what I mean. Just have 5 times $100. Doesn't have to be consecutive days, and you can also have some losing days if that happens. That's it. The only thing is that you have if you go down to 50,100 after the withdrawal, your account is going to be closed. That's it. That's it. Super simple. What we talk about have hundreds of failed PAs and thousands of failed evals. Yeah, Sorel, that is by the way true. So I also see some other, let's just say, influencers, YouTubers in the space with a much bigger following, and not just Patrick Whelan but some others, and they are openly, and there's nothing wrong with that, you know, as long as you keep in track how much you spent, how much is your income. This is a business, actually. So this is actually a business. So if you spent a few hundred evaluation accounts, that's good. Nothing wrong with that, as long as, you know, your income, your gross, your net income, how should I put this? You make some net profit at the end. There's nothing wrong with that. Everybody has a different approach. The numbers are always different. So, for example, Patrick Whelan last year, one of his streams, not now, quite a few weeks ago, he said last year he spent, I'm not sure if it's true or not, he spilled some crumbs there. He said he spent more than $300,000 on evaluation accounts. I don't know if it's included the activation fees or just the evals, but let's just say, including the activation fees, $300,000. But he got a payout $600,000 from Apex and some other prop firms. So obviously he's net positive with the prop firms. So that's also an approach. Send you an email. Oh, send me. Okay, let me check, Anya. Let me check. Sorry. Maybe it's in the spam folder. I don't have it. I don't have it. I don't see it. Let me type my email again. Make sure. But maybe your email provider is a little bit slow behind, so no problem. No problem. Thank you. Okay, Anya. Then I should be maybe your email. If you're not using Gmail or something else, it could take maybe a little bit more time. But you know, if it's not getting there, I can give you another email. I can give you another one from Part to Kane. All of them are doing the same thing. Yeah, yeah. I started to notice that. Like, that's what they're doing. He spent 80,000 on Eval and made 60K. Now, okay, so that's, you see, Sorel, exactly. That is basically a business model. You put in $80,000 into your business to double your money and get $160,000, right? That's also a business model. Yeah, whatever works. Yeah. Exactly, I understand. So at first, I thought years ago that that is not, maybe not the best approach. I mean, why should I make? I mean, but at the end of the day, money talks. You know, that's why they say at the end of the day, money talks. So if there is a business model or a cash flow model or whatever that you can calculate how much are you pouring into it and what are the percentages that you can make money out of it, then obviously you can do that as well. I call it, not in a bad way, but I call it prop firm gaming. It's possible, but I'm not sure. The only thing I'm a little bit confused. I'm not sure that with that kind of approach, can you be a quote unquote real trader? If prop firms would go down, you know, just one day to another, there would be no more prop firms. And if you go in with your personal account, could you do those kind of results on your one single trading account, on your personal account? I think your brain would be so much wired to the prop firm game thing, which is, again, it's okay. But I'm not sure if you could do the same thing on a personal account. It requires a different mindset, I think. Prop Trading 22 only got to know about this. Oh, I see. I guess you did a lot of. I mean, you got a lot of information by now by researching. And made one good damn trade. Oh yeah, that guy also. Yeah, I like him. He's cool, by the way. And he never really denied it that, hey guys, I spent this kind of money, but who cares if I made profit, right? And you know what? He's making money. So at the end of the day, that's why I said, at the end of the day, money talks. You know what? I don't want to give this back, so I'm just securing. So at the end of the day, money talks. That's how simple it is. Yes, definitely there are a lot of people out there rotating the accounts. And oh, Anya, I have your email. I have your email 1 minute ago. Awesome. Doing it. Let's do this. Thank you so much for the kind words, Anya. I'm just reading the email. Thank you. You're kind. Thank you. All right, let me send it right away. Ba, ba, ba. right. Okay, it's done. It is done. It's not about being a real trader or not. We just need enough buffer to not bleed. Yes, that's true. That's true. Yeah, prop firms are here to stay, by the way. So whatever is anybody thinking, prop firms are here to stay. Prop firms industry can change, yes, and I think it will definitely. But you know, prop firms are here to stay. 100% sure about that. No question. No question about it. The guy I'm talking about now, that every 10 funded accounts he gets payout on 4. That's a good number. Cash all. That is a very good number. For the next 5 years. It's a small prop firm. Trades they will get attacked. Their account. Yes. So you know, starting out the prop firm right now, a brand new one, especially without proper experience and financial backup, I think that could be difficult. You know. Yes, Tudor. I think Ninja Trader is going to release their own prop department. I think Oanda, which is acquired by FTMO, is going to release their own prop department, and I think others are going to follow in line because they see that the money is flowing into prop firms more and more. And I wouldn't be surprised if this year some more, maybe like Forex brokerages, or for example, I wouldn't even be surprised if MFutures would say that, okay, we're starting the prop firm department as well, maybe with not so much good rules that some others have, but who knows? I don't know. Yeah, I think Oanda is already preparing something. I was reading something online as well, especially after the merger with FTMO. They are doing something there. They're cooking something in the props space. So, Paul, hey, Paul Bartasek, nice to see you, man. How have you been? It's good to see you here in the stream. Yeah, regulations, definitely. I love to see regulations. FTMO, I think it's a good thing. Do you think the Forex industry? Yes, I think there's definitely a demand for the Forex industry, especially in prop firm trading. I actually like the idea. I think it's a great thing that FTMO is acquiring Oanda. So it's a positive thing. They already exist. Well, if the rules you're saying, well, not too many rules right now in prop firm trading. There's just some guidelines. So the SEC, the CFTC, they have nothing right now basically. Only the CME has some guidelines for prop firms, but the SEC and the CFTC, as far as I know, currently in the United States is not regulating prop firm business. At least that's how I know. But I think they will, by the way. I think FTMO will step into that space sooner or later. Forex broker, backdoor. Oh, yes. Some of them do it. I think there are some offshore brokerages that are doing it. I don't even know the names. There are some offshore forex brokers who are doing it, but I don't trust those really too much. I mean, I don't know. Some of them, I think they do some shady stuff. But by saying this, I already have an account with the Fivers, which is not a brokerage, only a prop firm, but still, I'm testing the Fivers now on MetaTrader 5. So, yeah, I mean, not necessarily a European thing, but maybe. I think TickTickTrader moves you to live account. At least on their website, they're saying they're moving you to live. I was reading somewhere, I mean, MyFundedFuture is moving you to live. Their CEO claimed that they moved not too many, but almost 70 people to live account last year who are live traders. At least that's what he's claiming. And the milestone account actually tells you that if you make 4 payouts, you're automatically moved to a live account. So those prop firms that are having some kind of a, you know, path to live, that is actually a good thing, but because they are capping their payouts. Look at this, changing direction here. What is going on? We might go down, right? Look at this. I don't want to jump into a scalp here, but there's that imbalance. Sorry, liquidity void, by the way. How far is that? Oh, wow. It's getting closer. It's getting closer, man. Just be careful. Let's see. Do I have something here? I want to take this on. Maybe it wants to go down to that. Where does it start? 38. What does it look like on the mini? 38 as well. Anyway, let's watch this closely. Closely. They claim they move you. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Might be a structure shift. I mean, this candle here shifted these two, and even this one. There are some targets down there, obviously, but you know, if this is a valid structure shift, and I think it is, then it should be going lower. So bring back the leverage to 4x. He said he would repel. Don't know. Frank B. Dot Frank. I mean, 1,000 leverage is a little bit too much. Not? I think it's a little bit too much. Maybe I'm wrong. But I think it's a lot. I read one of the X under 2 months for him to open a live account from a certain profit. Oh wow. 2 months? Wow. That's a lot of time. Look at that. Is it going to fill this this gap down here? Or at least wick it? Look at that. Wow. And just like that, it went down. I didn't see this coming. Maybe I should have, because it took some liquidity up here. on the 1 minute. There was a minor shift. Interesting. Where does it want to go from here? On the 5 minute, maybe it wants to take out the daily low. Just a quick look on gold. Gold is struggling here on the upside. Okay. Okay. Still, up there is a good level. 886. I do like it. I still like it. Wonder who told that gap. There was a guy here, total crazy. He's just spamming the chat. Tom, it's gonna go there. It's gonna go 838. I don't know who it was, but anyway. Yeah, you can flip anything in seconds. Yes, exactly. Yeah. It dropped from 5 minutes forever again. Look at the left side. You shorted this. You closed 40 points. Let's see. Yeah, there was a 5 minute gap here. There was a 5 minute small gap as well. Beautiful, Reza. Nice. I think it was a good target to fill that. Yeah, to fill that volume liquidity. Man, liquidity void. Yeah. Brian Stone. I heard about him. Let's see. What is going on? What is going on? I still like the idea for this one to go up. Yes, exactly, Jay. We're close, but it keeps going down to sweep some orders. Yeah. It keeps pulling back. How far is the 22K? Oh, it's even up there. 22K. Would be nice. For this one to try to go. Yeah, I think he was short somewhere around here. Yes, I think the gap that he talks about is, I think this one. Not sure, but there was a gap on the 5 minute right there. I think that's the one. You know, it shifted bullish reaction. Look at this bullish candle at 311. I'm gonna zoom this out because it's really interesting. This is price action 101. Anyway, bullish candle on the 1 minute, 311, pushing into liquidity, still in the gap. And then a bearish candle, 312, actually. Now this in itself, these two 1 minute candles are a very good indication, especially in this 5 minute gap, that something is happening. But if you're still waiting for confirmation, then there's a market structure shift right there. Not the perfect one. I do like it when there is a down close body, not just a wick. So, but still, a shift going lower. So somewhere around this point, if I would have been looking for a short. Somewhere in this area, I would have taken the short, I think. Yeah, I think that's what I would have done. Going all the way down, and I think that's what he did. 30 points, 40. Yeah, he entered most likely up there. So, yeah. Exactly. Exactly. Pip Slayer, hey. Sunny Dubai. Oh, awesome. From Dubai. Oh my god. So awesome. I want to visit there. I really do. The trading edge is here. Good morning. Everything's fine. Yeah, it was a disaster, but it's in the past now. Trading edge. It's in the past. We're moving on. We're moving on. So slow grind, but hey, learning and moving on. Thanks for being here. No problem. Don't worry about that. We're just moving on. Don't trade gold on a 1 minute, 5 minute. Trade gold on the... Oh yeah, definitely. Higher time frames. Yeah, Pip Slayer. It happened. It happened, and I hope it's not gonna happen anytime soon. You know, the problem is not exactly losing the funded account. I mean, yeah, that's a bad thing. My biggest problem is all that time and energy that I put it. You know, so I was like doing $100, $200 days. Sometimes I was losing 100 or whatever. You know, so I was slowly grinding with $100, $200 on those accounts. Slow process. Some of those accounts were building from November, and I was like putting in a lot of energy and time. And it's not just about the profit or the account itself, but the energy and the time. And you know what? As I said in the video, time is getting to be the most valuable asset that we have on this earth. Time and time and time. And when I was feeling that pain, I was mostly feeling about that time that I threw out the window. I threw out like at least 2 months on the window. So, but hey, gotta learn. Yeah, we'll see what it does. There's a minor structure shift. I might even go long here. I might even go long again. I might even go long again. Okay, I entered the long position. Very, 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 very small position. Going to target 84.75, just like before. No problem. It's an aggressive entry. Oh, not this one. This one. So it's an aggressive entry. But you know, I lose accounts weekly. It happens. You know, it's depending on what kind of cycle are we in. You know. Oh yeah, Satoshi. Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, 320 pullback. Yes, 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 yes. True, true, true. And trading made me more spiritual than ever. You know what, Pip Slayer? There's a big truth in that, because since I'm trading and since I've been through those struggles, I am definitely became much more spiritual, much more spiritual. So um, I began to be more grateful for what I have and what I been through. So I learned a lot, life lessons, and I really started to be much more spiritual. So main reason to trade at take profit trader over top step, I find the reset and the pro is unmatched, so you don't have to qualify. So what's your main reason to trade at take profit? So yes, one thing is, when you're on a funded account and if you lose it, don't do a reset at take profit trader, because it's absolutely money out the window. I think the risk to reward ratio, if you reset a take profit trader funded account, is just not worth it, in my opinion. Other than that, why I choose to take profit trader over top step, there are multiple reasons, small things, but it has a business side to it and it has some other side, trading side to it. So the trading side to it is that top step is awesome. Just saying that top step is great, but I don't like the micro to mini scaling. I don't like the not the daily loss limit is sometimes okay, sometimes not. But I know Project X on take profit. Top step X. There is no daily loss limit. I don't want to trade. I don't want to trade Top Step X or Project X. It's not my thing. I trade on quant hours, so there's a daily loss limit. Micro to mini scaling. The $200 day minimum on a 50K account, I don't like that. Actually, I think it's a struggle. But other than that, I think Top Step is just great. And also, other thing, I was an affiliate with Top Step. They kicked all of their affiliates last year. And because I do this here on YouTube as a business, this is my main thing as a prime job. This is my job here on YouTube, and I want to build this community. And without the affiliate commissions, I could not be able to do this every day. And I told this many times, and I will. And I'm super thankful for everybody who's using my links and codes. But without the affiliate commissions, unfortunately, yet I could not be doing this. And so, because I'm not receiving any Top Step affiliate commissions, and because Take Profit Trader has a good affiliate program, and I do like the company policy, I do like the payout policy. Take Profit Trader is also like a well-established prop firm. I like the trade. I like the trading conditions. Now that they deleted the daily loss limit, it's awesome, basically. And these are the reasons combining together that I'm not really pushing Top Step. But instead, I love Take Profit Trader also because of the trading conditions. And that's it, basically. That's it. That's one of the reasons. So yeah. Michael FX, good morning. Yeah, I hope that NQ will go higher. If you wish to speak, I can share what I've been through. Definitely, I'm always open to listen other people. Asking God to make the price go up. There you go. There you go, Kirk. Unless you've gotten payouts from them in the past to cover it, a lot of payouts. Yeah. Not that they have no data loss limit. Yeah, definitely. Hello, Vivian. Hello there. No, I'm not saying Take Profit Trader is the best, Pip Slayer. I'm not saying they're the best of the best. I think there are a few futures prop firms out there who are equally, I think, very good. Take Profit Trader, Top Step, MyFundedFutures. I know you don't like, but Apex is still pretty much solvent and they pay people out. So Apex is up there in the top 5 as well. Obviously, we could be debating about how bad or how good they are. They are paying out people still. But yes, I know. But I think Apex is up there. I think Tick Trader is up there. That's why I also started to trade with them, because look at Trustpilot. They're also in the business for a few years. But yeah, the biggest ones, definitely Top Step, MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, the 3 biggest ones. That being said, I trade with Bulenox. I receive payouts with Bulenox. I just requested $1,500 payout from Bulenox this morning, and I received a couple of payouts from them. So those are good too. So it's hard to say like, oh, they are the best. So, hey, John D, what up? Pro versus Pro Plus. Since I have a Pro account, but the Pro Plus is basically the live account. I only have a Pro account right now, but I guess that would be the live. The live account, I think you can do pretty much anything. Haven't really dived down into the details of the Pro Plus accounts, because that's basically a live account. But I think you start out with a Pro account anyways. Yeah, gold could range. I have nowhere to say. Yes, I understand, Lamin. So, as I said, Top Step is awesome. They need to get rid of that live trading in the funded account. Yes, you know, that's why, Isham, I'm trying to go with base hits until I lock in. So I'm doing the same thing like at Bulenox or Apex. Example, at Bulenox, I have to get to $3,600 to get a payout. So I'm just doing the same thing at Take Profit Trader now. I'm just going in base hits, and once it locks in, you're good. Yeah. Raphael, that's true as well. So we talked about that. Having different funded accounts from different prop firms is actually gives me a bit of a safety net, because if one prop firm goes down, we can all just switch to another. So always, so don't put all your eggs in one basket, basically, right? Yeah, I have Apex too. I will have Apex. Rob the Ghost Prod. Hey, what up? The week was okay. Oh, it was okay. You're done. Last trade on Wednesday. Yeah, if you don't want consistency, there's the expert account. You know, expert accounts don't have consistency rule. Your long gold, short NASP. I know it's more expensive, but Tick asking their live traders for a video recording. No, I didn't. I didn't hear that. Somebody told that in some cases they were curious about if someone is using algorithmic trading or something. As far as I know, Tick Trader also pays out people regularly. So look at that. It doesn't want to go. Why not? Oh, we have the pre-market open real soon, in about 16 minutes. Apex first withdrawal is 2,600, of which I can take 2,000. But how much? You cannot take 2,000. So the new rules, Pipslayer, is that you can take 500. You have to leave 2,100 on the account. Those are the latest rules, which are in place since like 3 months now or something. or 2 months or 3. So no more. That was the old rules. So now you have to leave 2100 on the account. You have to reach the $2,600 threshold, but 500. Yeah. I think you can request a withdrawal, but then you will only get 30% or something from your threshold, and they're closing down the account. Not sure, but other platforms do similar stuff. So yeah, you have to leave the safety net there from now on. Well, not now on, like 2 months ago or 3. Well then, I think they sent you an outdated contract. Yes, so at $2,600 you can get 500 because you have to leave 2,100. That's the bare minimum you have to leave there. Exactly like Ashabs is saying. Actually not. You have to make 4,300, so you have to leave 2,100. So you have to leave the 2,100. So $2,000 is the max payout, but you still have to leave 2,100 on the account. And first is in drawdown. It should not cross. Well, you know, one particular trade, that's a soft rule, Pipslayer. If you have a position, for example, this position, whatever, your stop loss should not exceed 30% of your maximum loss limit. So until you're not reaching the $2,600, 30% of that is $780. So the stop loss of this trade should not exceed $780, right? If you exceed this limit, for example, it goes down to $1,000, you're gonna get denied if you request a payout at $2,600. So for example, if you're aiming to get $1,000, which is $3,100, 31% of that is $930. So if your profit target is $3,100, you can go as long as $930 with your stop. Now, if you breach that, they're not going to ban you or close the account, but your payout cycle, I mean, is going to be in jeopardy. I mean, you're going to get denied, most likely, on that payout cycle. Or you just have to keep building more profits, more and more profits, I think. Something like that. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Why I was aiming for 2200. Some on my head was spinning all around. 22. Yeah, that's true. I'm so stupid, man. Yeah. 4100. Yes. Correct. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm expecting some phone calls. Oh, look at that. And my head is spinning around. Sorry. Cool. That's true, Ashevs. Correct. And Bowser, correct. No, you don't have to gain again. So you get the payout, your balance goes down to 2,100, and you want to get another $1,000, right? So you have to make $1,000 for the in the next payout cycle. Now, because of the 30% rule, your maximum loss limit should not be greater than 30% of that $1,000, which is like, what's that, $333 or something. So keep that in mind. No, damn it. That's not true. 780. Oh man, I'm talking BS up and down. you can go, if you left with 2100, you can use 30% of your maximum loss limit, right? And also 5 days above $50. It has to be 5 days above $50. It doesn't have to be consecutive days. My target would be 884. On the 5 minute, there is a supply zone on that level. No, it's not mandatory in Apex. It's not mandatory, but if they see that your trade goes higher than, so the risk is 5 times higher than your profit, so they see that you left your trade go down to $500 and then you took profit at 100, or 0 at break even, that is something they don't like. But this is the only thing I don't like in these rules. How would they know? Because what if you were in $500 drawdown and finally you managed to get out from the trade, but the market is changing, the conditions are changing, and you decide to close your trade at break even once you get out from that drawdown? That should not be an issue, right? That shouldn't be a thing. They said something about that they're checking if your take profit was there. So they're looking for your take profit and stop loss levels too to verify your trade. But this is the point where it all gets a little bit blurry and it's just hard to how much and when can you request? So Max, it's the payout. Sorry Max, I wasn't. You can request a payout after 8 trading days, but you have to have 5 days of $50 or more. Okay, it doesn't have to be consecutive. Once you get to 8 trading days and you're above the safety threshold, you can get a payout anytime. So that's it. Yes, exactly, Bowser. So if you're planning to withdraw 2,000, that means you should be pushing the account up to $4,000. Then you can go above those limits. Yes. Yes, exactly. Like Bowser said, these are the main things you have to remember with Apex. 30% drawdown, which is a soft rule. 1 to 5 risk reward, also a soft rule. And without the $50, you just cannot request a payout. So that's simple. So these are soft rules. What are the DCA? You can DCA whatever you want on Top Step and Bulenox. Bulenox only says it in their master account agreement that they don't like people go in, for example, full port, 7 minis, that's the maximum on a 50k, 7 minis, and then the next trade or the other day they just go in with 2 micros or 1 micro, and that's how they going to end up until the payout cycle. That's one thing that they don't like those traders who are looking for a windfall trade. 7 mini, they make $1,400 or whatever, and the rest of the days they're just making like $50 or $100 per day until they reach the payout. Mostly that what they're saying is try to use somewhat similar position sizing, average position sizing, something like that. So Ajit, hey, welcome to the stream, welcome to the channel. So Bulenox rules are still like simple, nothing special. You can trade the news still, by the way. You can DCA. The only thing is that there's a flipping rule as well. So they have 10 minimum trading days. They don't specify with exact numbers what is meant flipping. So they say 20% of your trading days can be flipped, like opening and closing a trade with 1 micro. Boom, boom. They allow 20% of your days like that. But they did not specify with exact numbers. So we don't really know too much. I mean, nobody really who got denied by Bulenox. I mean, we have that one guy on Twitter with the big accounts, but nobody else that I know of. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's so. I mean, I'm gladly answering some questions there, Naomi. But yeah, all this stuff is, yeah, it's on their website. And the Bulenox website is pretty simple in this. You just have to click on their website, go to the FAQ section. Everything is there. Good morning, least estimator. With different preference, yes, you can. So first of all, you have to purchase the advanced features, which is $30 per month with Quantower. Without that, you're not able to log in to multiple prop firms. It's called advanced features. So you don't have to purchase the full Quantower package. You can, I think if you click on my link, maybe it gives you a $3 discount from that. You can try it out, but I guess I'm not sure if it's working now for the discount, but still, that's how it's done. And then you can, for example, here I have multiple connections set up. I have Apex, Day Traders, Eddy Trader Funding, MyFundedFutures, AMP, Top Step, Take Profit Trader, Tick Trader. So I'm connected now to these ones actively, so I can connect more if I want to. Super simple. Yes, something like that, Jason. Yeah. Opening stream. I am short and you're long. Yeah, this is how it goes nowadays. Don't worry, Dean. I think my trade is going to the dumpster here. Unfortunately, it is what it is. I was hoping for a nice little bounce from here back up there, but it seems like I'm not gonna get it. Oh, there was a pullback. Yeah. Bowser says. Hide some rules. Yeah, I mean, some rules are, well, yeah, Pips Slayer, yeah, it's true. Some rules are not too much talked about, and there's some fine print. That's true. It's called conflict of interest. Yes, Jason. Exactly. They want the money. Pre-market open is right here, by the way. Yeah, I know, least estimator. It's hard. My wife is a dumpster. No, come on. Well, I still have a few Bulenox accounts from the cheap ones, maybe to send it on NFP, but I think if I send it at the news release, I think it's just gonna spike both sides because of the slippage and the spread. So maybe at the market open, I'm not sure. Yesterday I passed the new Bulenox account as well, but I still left with like 2 or 3 more of the 91% sale. Can you reduce the delay? There is no delay. Let me check it. I use the lowest latency. What you can do is click on the there's an icon on YouTube that says live. It always puts you to the latest second or the newest second on the stream, and I'm using the lowest latency, which enables the stream to be having absolutely no, I mean, latency should not be more than 3 to 5 seconds. Or delay. The delay, sure, sorry, it's called delay. The delay should not be more than 3 to 5 seconds. As far as, but let me check it again, just to make sure. Let me check the stream. Do I have? No, it's fine. It's 3 to 5 seconds. Yeah. Oh no, almost out. Almost out. Should be going lower now. I have no idea why this does this. Yeah, there you go. What? Do you guys see this? Somehow I'm still in the trade. I don't know how. Look at this. I don't know. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Least estimator. I'm a lucky bastard. Look at this. I mean, if I zoom this properly, there's still a huge gap here. Look at that. Look at what, it's a huge gap. It's a huge, I don't know. There was a lot of space here still. So I can zoom it out even more. Now look at that. Huge. There was a lot of space here still. So no problem. All right. I don't know how I survived that. This is just mini. Oh no, it's coming back. In London session, especially on NFP day, you know, gotta be careful. You want to make a million on NFP? All right, let me call the Chicago, the CME. Let me just call the CME. Why does price start moving at this time? Well, Vivian, I wish I would know. I wish I don't even know. I mean, sorry, the pre-market open. Yes, simple. Volume comes into the market, pre-market open, 4 a.m. You know, stocks. You can trade stocks now. Look at this. Like Nvidia just did this thing right now. You know, stock trading is on. Tesla. Oh, look at Tesla at the open. Boom, went up, down. So that's what happens. Usually, you know. Usually. Yeah, that's gonna be the strategy. Yes, 25 cents, yes. I think so, yes. Max, I think gold should be staying bullish, in my opinion. Yeah, it's Vivian. It's the pre-market open, so that's when the market shakes a little bit. Yeah, stocks pre-market open. Inversions 5-minute fair value gap to the low. So what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? What is happening? Let's get it. Let's go. Whoa! What just happened? Alicia Ivania. Oh, I'm sorry, I butchered the name there again. Alicia, thank you so much for joining and subscribing. Welcome to the channel. My TP is based on the 5-minute. If you look to the left here, let me just get this off so I can show you. If you look to the left here, and I'm gonna zoom this a little bit on TradingView. So this was in the Asia session, but still, we had a bullish candle on the 5-minute at 10:05 p.m. Eastern Standard, pushed into liquidity. So it swept, not too much, a little bit of liquidity sweep there, and then, you know, this candle went lower, creating a market structure shift there, which makes this candle, the 10:05 candle, a very nice textbook bearish order block. Beautiful bearish order block, actually. I do love it. The opening of this candle is 86.75 on the micro. Now, I don't really care about the wicks, but the body of the candle here, the open. That's the real important level. 86.75. This area here, for me, I love it. I do love these levels as targets. I do like it. So as we are here, swept out orders as much as we could. That level 86.75 is up there, and that is why I am targeting. Actually, I want to get out earlier, you know, not at the last tick. So my TP is 84.75. A few ticks lower than that level, and that's it. That's the thing I'm looking for. Good morning, Dan. What's up? That's the current daily high as the daily candle opens. The usual daily candle. Yes, I use the I use the New York time. So this is here. This represents the daily candle. So I use it. But as if we look at the 6 a.m. candle, that would be almost at the high, you know. It's not 6 a.m. Come on, 6 p.m. candle. Man, I don't know what's up with me. It's hard to speak English for right now. I don't know why. So we have the 6 p.m. reset. Obviously, we have those highs up there. As for the New York time, we have a doji candle right now, as you see it right here. A little bit of indecision, but I know. My problem is that we still have this new day opening gap, which I don't really like, but you know, small position, who cares? I'm copy trading this on an eval and on a funded account. Copy trading this on a MyFundedFutures, and I'm pushing it on an evaluation too, just to have fun, but only, you know, small positions. Small positions. Impeccable trading only. Let's see what's happening on gold. Ooh, what just happened, man? What just happened? What the? Okay. Nothing special though. but it did go higher. It did go higher. You were long on the gold? Nice. Man, I don't know what's up with NQ. Starting to lose hope on this. On the 15-minute, I don't like the way it looks. It seems like to me it wants to drop, take the elevator lower. Look at this. I might going to kill this trade if it starts to drop. I'm not gonna wait for the full stop here. Cause why? Why should I wait? The way it looks like it. Yeah. Let's leave it a little bit, but yeah, Ollie. I wouldn't be surprised as well. So the market is just gonna stall here and go sideways until NFP news, and that's it. Was rejected on the 5. Ooh. You see the small details. Tell me we saw this. Damn. That's the problem. Rejection here. Last line of defense is this gap right here for the bulls. If it closes below, even on the, oh man, it doesn't look good. I think I have to kill this. Nice rejection from up there, that's for sure. Yeah. Ah. No. I'm gonna save myself a few bucks before hitting the full stop. If it starts to go down, I'm just gonna close it. Mark Douglas would say no, don't touch it. Don't do anything. Leave it. Let it take out the full stop or let it ride. What's the low target? If this one start to drop or starts dropping down, obviously it should be taking out 826. And we have, oh no, or oh yeah, I don't know. This is the new day opening gap here. I don't know. I'm confused. How far can it go? We have these long wicks. Maybe the the daily low right now at 826, but there's a nice sell side at 806 at the open. Could be holding some stops below that. So possible sell side at 806. Uh-oh. Alright, I closed it. Out of the trade. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Don't disappear. Whoa! Felix Le Forestier. Let me try again. Felix Le Forestier. Le Forestier. I'm sorry. I just can't talk today. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome, welcome. You the man. Oh, that's Methodical Man's catchphrase. Anyway, he don't mind. Welcome. Beanie Player. Oh my god, where have you been? I was talking to everybody on every single stream. Like, have you guys seen this Beanie Player anywhere? Where is Beanie Player? Have you guys seen Beanie Player? And nobody, and everybody was like, no, man, we didn't see him. And I was like already making a video for YouTube. Like, if you guys see Beanie Player, Satoshi going long. Let's see. Oh, finishing your degree. Okay, then. You're excused then. All right. You are excused. Oh, I see. All right. Oh, awesome, awesome. Let's go, Beanie Player. Started to worry here, but thank God. That's cool. That's cool, man. All right, let's see what it wants to do here. I think it wants to drop. Still, look at that. Here comes the drop. Double top. Where? Where is the double top here? I mean, on NQ, I'm not really. Not really on the 5 minute here. I don't know, maybe with a grain of salt, maybe a double top, maybe. Later. Thanks for dropping in, Trading Edge. See you later. By the way, that's not 100% sure, but I might not be able to do a New York stream today. Depends on if I have to go. I have to visit my mother at the hospital, but I'm not sure if I have to because of the flu season. I might not able to go today, but and they're still doing some treatment, so I'm not sure. So 50% chance if I can hold the New York stream today. Just saying. We'll see. Yeah, it got pretty choppy. It is definitely choppy. You're calling this a week. All right, Ollie. Yeah, I have to be careful with NFP. Definitely. Have a good night, you two, or good day. Thanks for being here, Ollie. You're building a buffer. I see. All right. All right. That's a good thing, I guess. Yeah, so this one here is interesting. I thought that NQ wants to go higher, but it just doesn't. It's not going. It's not doing it. It's a good thing I closed out that trade earlier. What else is here? Would be nice to shift that 845, but nothing. Up 12k. Jesus. You should call it a day. You should call it a day, Bassett. Anyway, my bet is that it should be going up. Maybe not now, maybe in the New York session, but should be taking that 886. But so far, I'm not going to babysit here price action. So thank you, everybody, for watching. I don't know if I'll be back for New York. Depends. But if I will not be here in New York session, I wish everybody a great weekend. Or if I'll be here, I hope to see you guys back in the stream. Thank you again for watching. If you would like to support, please don't forget to use the same code everywhere, TomSabo. It works on most of these platforms. So thank you for the support. And that's it. God bless you all. I'll be back hopefully in New York. If not, worst case scenario in Monday. All right. Again, God bless everybody. Have a nice day or weekend. All right. Cheers.